Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first ever clean with me video on this channel. Never ever thought I would record anything such as this, but if you saw my Grove collaborative video, then you'll totally understand why I'm doing this. Comment below, do you guys watch these? Do these type of videos give you motivation? Because lately I've been watching a lot of them and it has just motivated me to get my life together. And as you can see by the looks of my kitchen, it was time to get it together. So we're gonna start in the kitchen because yeah, it's a hot mess. Anyhow, you guys, make sure you thumb this video up. Let me know if you also would love more of these types of videos. If you are someone like me who, you know, you need some type of cleaning rehabilitation or, you know, what have you, to also motivate you to clean as well. And make sure you subscribe. Anyhow, so what I'm doing here is I'm putting away this food sealer. It took a minute to figure out even how to get it back in the box, but that's just basically what I'm doing here. One of the first things I do, especially when it comes to the kitchen, is try to clear off as much as possible. So that's what I'm starting with here. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just basically taking everything out of the sink. And I don't know if this makes me weird, but I'm definitely a stacker. I feel like I need to stack all the plates together, put all the utensils together. Comment below, do you do this as well? And while you're watching this video, you'll definitely notice that I'm not really cleaning in any particular order. Another sign of just someone who, you know, doesn't have a set routine, and that's okay because we are trying to get it together. Anyhow, here I'm just cleaning this one side of the sink, and that's just because I didn't really use the other side because of the little bit of dishes that I did have, so I didn't really feel the need to clean it. I don't know if that's weird or not, but anyhow, I'm starting to unload the dishwasher, and then I'm going to put these dishes away. Okay, so I know this drawer looks somewhat organized, and to be honest with you, I started organizing my drawers maybe like, I want to say like April or May-ish, and that is just because I just got tired of looking at stuff. So, you know, I started the process and now we're continuing it with it. But as you can see, when I was trying to close the drawer, it wasn't trying to close because I just had too much going on in there. Anyhow, here I'm just re-straightening the cabinets, and again, the cabinets don't look too bad because I started this organizing process months ago. Now we're just trying to maintain it. And in that little container, I keep all of my shot glasses. No, I'm not an alcoholic, but you know, that's where they go. And we're still unloading. Again, I have to pull everything out and put like the tops back together, and then from there I'll put it in the cabinets. Again, this is probably weird to most people, but that's, you know, what I have to do. This particular cabinet, I put all of our like protein type shake cups, and then we have like glass bottles, and then like mugs. Again, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's definitely not you know, as organized as it could be, but hey, it is what it is. that cabinet down there definitely needs to be reorganized. I just threw my silicone molds down there. If anyone has any tips on how to better organize silicone molds, please let me know. I'm taking all tips and tricks. Anyhow, as you can see, I'm putting away more dishes. The other side has cups as well. I know I have a cup problem. My husband will also agree. Down here needs to be organized as well, but you know, I do the best that I can. I just try to stack everything according to size, because that's just the best way for everything to fit. But that's just where, you know, the pots and the pans typically go. And now I'm going to load the dishwasher. I will be honest, I do not use the dishwasher often to wash dishes. I typically hand wash them, but it was like 9 something at night and I was ready to go to bed at this point. So the quickest way to get these dishes done was just to throw them in there. I typically use it as like a drying rack because, as you can see, I don't really have a place for a drying rack. So that's what I use the dishwasher for. Also, I'm just curious. Some of these videos that I've watched, it doesn't seem as if anybody really rinses off their dishes before they put them in the dishwasher. Listen, rinse your dishes off before you put them in there, because then your dishes are not going to come out very clean, especially like the cups, because they're on the top rack and it's not like there's a hand in your dishwasher that's going to like physically scrub your stuff, if you know what I mean. But anyhow, let's just watch me load a dishwasher. Okay, so I walked away here because I realized that I had some bowls on the table that needed to be washed as well. So I'm glad I remembered, but I just went to go get those, rinsed them out, and then loaded them in the dishwasher as well. So now I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using to wash or what I'm using in the dishwasher. And I actually found these at TJ Maxx. It's by a company called Grab Green. It is on Grove Collaborative, but even though I was eyeballing them, I did not purchase them with my order. So when I saw them at TJ Maxx, I grabbed all the ones they had on the shelf. And again, I don't really use the dishwasher, but it's nice to have them just in case I feel like it. Okay, so let's talk about this corner. My husband gets on me all the time because he's just like, you know, you don't have to have appliances on every inch of the countertop, which he's right. But, you know, listen, we're learning and I need help and I'm admitting that I need help. So I'm trying to clear this area as best as possible, putting the things away where they need to go, because at this point most of it does have a home, some of it does not have a home, so then I have to find it. But again, if anyone has any suggestions on how to make this corner look better, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will thank you, my husband will thank you, especially if he comes home and all of this is just like together. He's gonna thank everyone. So let me know the best way to organize this. You will be a big help. Okay, so I just need to rave about this multi-surface cleaner by Mrs. Meyer's. It's in the scent Compassion Flower. Shout out to April Athena 7 for putting me onto this. If you guys don't know who she is, I can't believe it. I'm gonna leave her link below so you can check her out. Also, shout out to her because she is the reason that I decided to film a clean with me video. April, I don't think you realize just how much I appreciate you for just the motivation. And I definitely did have fun filming this, but you guys, like I said, you have to get this the whole line. You have to get the whole line. I'm going to leave a link below. It's only Grove Collaborative exclusive, so you have to get it there. But I promise you guys, you're going to love it just as much as I do. I'm trying to figure out a way to just stock up on it and figure out also where to put it, because, you know, we ain't trying to hoard cleaning products. And my husband also told me not to be buying a whole bunch of stuff. But listen, it's worth it. Go get it. Anyhow, you guys see those candles over there? So how do you guys store your candles? I typically only burn candles in the kitchen, and I'll switch them out. I don't really know where to put them, so honestly I put them in the bottom of my pantry. But let me know what you guys do as far as that, because again, your girl is learning here and I'll take all tips. But anyway, what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be washing some dishes by hand, and the only reason I'm washing these by hand is because if you put them in a dishwasher, it'll just melt, and ain't nobody got time for that. So it was time for a new sponge, so I am going to use the sponge by Grove Collaborative, and I honestly really like it. So again, link below if you guys haven't tried Grove Collaborative. I really like it. Oh, and my little soap dispenser. So I had the brush one. I love the brush one, and then I decided to get the one for the sponge. Totally worth it. Again, link below. I can't say that enough. No, this is not sponsored by Grove Collaborative, but I really enjoyed the company, and I think it's worth the money, so I'm just going to keep, you know, advertising it. Anyhow, so once I finish cleaning these two dishes out, I know it looks like nothing. I'm going to clean this side of the sink again, just the one side, because it's the only side that I did use. And then after I rinse it out, I'll go ahead and drop a few drops of my essential oil by Young Living. It's in the scent Purification, and I got this idea from another YouTuber, and honestly, best thing ever. It makes your sink smell amazing. Like, you'll wake up the next day and still smell it. I'm going to leave her channel below as well, because she is also another reason why I decided to make a clean with me video. Okay, so now I'm doing my least favorite thing to do of all time, and that's sweeping. But because I got a new vacuum, I did vacuum after I swept. I just recently purchased the Dyson, I believe it's V8, and it's the animal version. Let me know if that makes sense. But yeah, so after I swept, I did go behind it with the vacuum. The camera cut off, so you didn't even get to see all of my vacuuming action. But listen, get a vacuum your hardwood floors, because it's going to make you realize just how bad you are at sweeping. So after I do that, I use the same multi-surface cleaner to clean off my cabinets, and I will be honest, I don't think I've wiped any of the cabinets since I've moved in here. I'm not going to tell you guys how long I've been here, but again, your girl is learning. And it made them look really nice. I do need to get some like stainless steel cleaner, because you know, I just used what I had to clean off not only the stove, but the dishwasher as well as the microwave. And I'm pretty sure it's probably best to use a cleaner specifically for stainless steel, but I mean, it didn't hurt it, at least from what I could tell. So that's what I used, and we're just going to continue wiping off anything that we can wipe off.
That's good.
Okay, so the last thing that I have to do is mop, and I actually enjoy mopping now. Thanks to this product by Method. It's the Squirt and Mop. This is in the scent Lemon Ginger. This is another product that April actually recommends. Thanks, girl, because now I can't stop doing this. As I stated in my Grove Collaborative video, we have like these fake wood floors, and I was always scared to put something on them just because we're renting and I didn't know if it would actually do anything to it. But I've already used this product like twice now, and it hasn't done anything, so I definitely recommend it. If you're like me and you got fake wood floors, just go for it. And that's pretty much it. And now we're about to see what the kitchen looks like, and she looks great. Okay, so I lied. The last thing that I'm actually going to do is use this room freshener, again by Mrs. Meyer's, in the scent Compassion Flower. I cannot stress this enough. Go get the whole entire line. You will love it. And now I'm going to show you guys what my kitchen looks like after. It's still a work in progress, but considering what it looked like before, this looks 5,000 times better. I'm still a work in progress. So again, if you guys have any suggestions on how I can, organize, especially that one corner a little better, leave it in the comment section below. I'm all ears. And yeah, be prepared for some more videos, because there's some other rooms that I have to get together as well. And I just realized I did not wipe down my refrigerator, so I'm going to do that straight away after I'm done editing this video. That is all for me today. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you press that subscribe button. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.